Good morning, students. Today I am here to introduce your page number 4 and page number 5. Okay, in a page number 4, following the given basic lines, change the placement of the object shown and then color it. Okay, and now you see here all picture are complete is there, and now how to draw a square and circle. Now again the concept of overlapping. Okay, firstly you draw a square like this. Okay, you all have noticed that there is a dissection of your sheet like this. This is your baseline, this is your foreground, and this is your background. Okay, the triangle is given in a foreground. Yes, and now how to draw a square and how to draw a circle in a foreground. Okay, do not draw a circle and square in a background. Is the basic on the foreground. Okay, after that draw a circle. Okay, the picture is complete, and now fill the colors. Okay, how to fill the colors and what are the colors are given. This is your colors: blue, sky blue, green, red, orange and yellow. Okay, use your oil pastel colors or any colors you have. Okay, first of all draw your base colors. Fill the base colors like this in one direction. Like this, and green color in a foreground, blue color in a background, after that yellow color in your shape of the triangle in one direction. Do not fill the color like this, do not scrub the colors like this. Okay, only fill the colors in one direction, and after that fill orange color in a square, and red color in a circle like this in one direction. Okay, now this is ready. Okay, do it. And now in next page, page number 5, again there are the geometrical shapes: triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Okay, in their picture, in this page there is a triangle and circle in the foreground. Now draw a rectangle and a square overlapped by them. Okay, how to draw a square and rectangle I will show you. Again, here is your baseline, and this is your background, this is your foreground. In a foreground there is two shapes are there already given: triangle and circle. After that we draw a rectangle shape. This is your rectangle shape. Two arms are long and two arms are short to make a rectangle. Okay, and a square. 4 sides are equal. In a square, 4 sides are equal. Okay. After that, fill the colors. The colors are given: orange color in a triangle, blue color in a circle, purple color in your rectangle shape, and orange color in your square. Now, foreground color is light green and background color is yellow. Complete your page number 4 and 5. Thank you and have a nice day.